Good morning, students. Now we discuss how do we measure force. As we all know that length is measured in meters, mass or weight is measured in kg, and similarly time is measured in second. So force is measured with the unit called Newton, denoted by capital N, which is the SI unit of force. So look at the first picture. We see that the box is pushed by two persons in same direction. Suppose we assume the force applied by first person is 10 Newton and the force applied by second person is 20 Newton. So the net force is F equals to F1 plus F2. The two forces are added up as they are in the same direction. So the net resultant force will be 10 plus 20, that is 30 Newton. Now look at the second picture. In this, the two persons are applying the force but they are in the opposite direction. So what will be the resultant? Here the force F1 is applied in right direction 10 Newton and F2 is applied in left direction, that is 20 Newton. So our net force will be F equals to F1 minus F2 as they are in opposite direction. So the result will be minus 10 Newton. Force will act in opposite direction. So F2 is dominated over F1 and the box will move in left direction. So in this video we learn about the net force in two cases. When we talk about force, a very important concept comes, that is balanced and unbalanced forces. What is a balanced force? Balanced force is a force when two equal and opposite forces comes together and do not cause any change in the motion. Let us take an example of tug of war. Here team A and team B are applying force in a rope but in opposite direction, and the force F1 is of 10 Newton and force F2 is also of 10 Newton. As the two forces are equal and in opposite direction, no change will occur and the rope will remain the same. So that type of force is called balanced force. Now look at the second picture. Here in team A only one member is there and in team B 3 members are participating, and we see that F2 is greater than F1. So when they apply force, we see that rope will come in motion in right direction. So this type of force where force 1 or force 2 is greater than the other and causes change in motion is called an unbalanced force.